Hey everyone, Mark here at Civic. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Let's have a look at another amazing pre-owned vehicle, local trade, this Honda Civic EX model. Lots of standard features which I'll show you as we walk around. Do a quick walk around the outside, and I'll show you some of the interior features. So again, local trade, nice tires, got the nice alloy wheels, nice meaty tires, which is always beneficial, especially when you're buying a pre-owned vehicle. Good to make sure there's lots and lots of wear left on the tires, save you some money down the road. So again, hood's in nice shape, windshield, sunroof, nice bonus there. Look at that sunroof. All right, let's go take a look at the rear. See if I have a, oh no. Take the keys. Okay, there we go. Nice size trunk. We keep the mats back there, keep them nice and clean. We got split folding seats, so you have levers on there and there, so you can pull those seats down, fold them down if you have a little project at home and need a little extra cargo space. So yeah, opportunity to have more cargo space if needed. Nice cloth seat. Cup holders here for your passengers. If there's only two in the back, you have the ability to let them put somewhere for their drink. You've got power windows in the rear. Keep going, you have push button start proximity key. So I just locked it. There we go, sorry about that. So push button start proximity key, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Locking rear windows as well, great option if you have kids. You have an adjustable driver seat, so you can lift it up, down, back, forward. You have economical mode here. You have traction control, so again, some good features there. Push button start. I forgot it's a manual. Push button start. On the inside, you've got all your Bluetooth hands-free calling. You got all your AM, FM, your radio sources here. Here's your Bluetooth right there. You got your cruise control on this side. So again, lots of access to the driver at the driver's fingertips. You have, sorry, let me just turn that down a little bit. Okay, you have some plug-ins right here. It's good to have your plug-ins. You got a 12 volt. You got heated seats on both sides. You've got, here's your temperature controls. Again, really to use, front and rear defrost, air conditioning. Again, easy to use, well laid out. Nice touch screen with, of course, backup camera, built-in backup camera. So again, lots of stuff to play around with. There you go. So again, Bluetooth, backup camera, touch screen, low kilometers, local trade. Don't miss out, guys. Really nice vehicle, guys or girls. Sunroof. If you know somebody, remember we're home of the referral program. Shop 24/7 at ciwhandy.com. We look forward to seeing you soon, and make sure you follow us on Facebook. It's important. We're always giving away tons of cool stuff.